So let's have more example about divide. So again, we use char I equal 10 char j equal 20 char result equal, no, here we wanna use it, result equal I divided by 6. What do you think will happen? No, let's print it. Let's run it, and you see 10 divided by 6 is not 1, but it gives us 1. Let's call calculator. If we go to mode scientific, 10 divided by 6 equal 1.6. So it not give us right value. If we change this to f, we say please show us float value. Result is a float value, is not a decimal value. Let's run it. You see, it is a problem. It can't show it. Why? Because it's not, it's char. So let's change it to float and run it. Float can have float value like 2.5 or 1.6. But why? Again, it gives us 1. You know why? Because compiler first see this, and when it is a decimal char value and this is the char value, so it think that maybe it should give us a char value. But there is a way. If we change one of these to float, no, compiler think that no, we should change this to float because we don't use j yet. No I is float and 6 is not float. No compiler see that one of the number is float, so it will decide to give us a float value. Let's run it. You see, this is correct. This is what we want. But if we change this to char, you see it before, what will happen? You see, there is a problem. So result should be float. So we change it to float again and run it, and it worked fine. But there is a problem here. Float take 4 bytes of memory, so we don't want to use it. So what we should do? We should tell the compiler give us a float value, not integer value or char value or decimal value. There is a way. Let's change this back to char. and the way it's this, you use float here. Now I just take 1 byte of memory, but compiler because of this decide to give us float value for this equation. So let's run it. So it is good. We use less RAM but same result. So always do it like this. You can use this here and run it. It will work again. So no matter where you put it, it work. So this is good. So let's talk about another thing. Open new project. Copy this. Open new project. And paste it here and change things. Let's put this char, this D. We don't need it now. Now we want to use percent here. What is it? What do you think it is? Let's just show the result first. Run it. It will tell us to choose what language you are using. So we are using C, so it's 4. Why it's 4? 10% 6, why it is 4? Because first compiler divide I, that is 10, by 6, and what's remain of it will be on result. So compiler first divide I by 6, and what's remain of it will be on result. So this result show the remain of divide I by 6. That's it. And you want to use it a lot in C. There is a project that you want to use 7 segment, and in that project you should use it. You use it a lot in C language for microcontrollers. So practice. Thank you.